Hey, what's up? How's it going? You should be using a pen when you sketch for yourself. I'm going to tell you why I think it'll improve your drawing dramatically and will correct you from making mistakes. And I'm going to explain to you why I think that in the next minute or so. Right now, I'm just going to doodle so you're not staring at nothing. So pay attention and let's get going. So I've been sketching for a long time, and the natural habit if you're doodling for yourself is to actually just more or less sketch in pencil. Almost everyone I know has that. There's a lot of reasons why I don't want to do that. There's a lot of reasons that you should be sketching in pen. If not sometimes, just every now and then. I always sketch in pen, no matter what. I prefer it. Even though pen is permanent, there's one major reason that I personally like it. What it does is it kind of conditions your brain so to kind of not make as many mistakes. So when you go back to pencil after using pen, you're like, whoa, I can just erase that? Your mind is so much more clear from the beginning because when you're, like I said, when you're using pen, you know deep down there's just no way that there is no way that you're going to erase that. You can try to correct it in some ways, but you're not going to be able to erase it, especially if it's just a sketchbook sketch and you're not taking it digital or anything. With pencil, you always have this kind of fallback feeling. You're always thinking, well, it doesn't matter, I can erase it. And there is a limit within pencil as well. If you dig too hard to the paper, you're going to have these ugly lines. Yeah, I would say the sooner the better. I have a friend that's so tentative and so how do you say that? He's so afraid to make mistakes that he will use a pencil. Don't be afraid. If you're doodling for yourself, you have nothing to lose at all. Get a stack of papers like this. This is just computer printing paper, which is extremely cheap. Get a big stack and just start doodling in your spare time, or doodle a lot. And you're gonna notice when you go back to pencil how much better that feels. You will notice that, especially after you do it a couple of weeks or a week. It's almost immediate. The people that get the best, the quickest in art have always been the people that take risks and try new things. They try something out and they correct afterward. Or they try something out so they see the mistake and then they correct that mistake. So you want to be that. You want to try something like this. Try whatever you can to get ahead, and you're going to see this massive growth, and you're going to be leaving people behind who are thinking about it, who are like, oh, I don't know, they're afraid. Don't be afraid. We're just drawing. We're not jumping off any cliffs or anything like that. So please do that and let me know how it goes. If you want a recommendation for a type of pen, I like this one. This is the F. I'll write in the description, but F. It's scratched off, but it's a zebra pen, and it's a ballpoint pen. Ballpoint. I like ballpoint because it's not quite as harsh as, let's just say, like a fountain pen, where the second you put that, the second that pen touches, you get an ink blot. This one, it kind of feels almost like a pencil, so I would think of this as the training wheels to going into pen, because you can kind of finesse it a little bit. There is some leeway. Anyways, that's it. I've been rambling. If you like that kind of rambling, if you like advice like this, click that like button. Also, don't forget, if you like this kind of stuff, even better, there is a how to shade ebook in the description. It's completely free for now. It's completely free for now, but it is an ebook. Simple, read it, and you can start shading pretty much after you go through it, almost immediately. And I've had a lot of great reviews on it. Thanks so much. And that's pretty much it. Talk to you guys later. Check out the link, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.